So I just built this entire mental wellness booking platform in 27 minutes. Freelancers charge between $2,000 and $5,000 for websites like this. The real money is in workflow sites. Sites that actually do something. Multi-step forms, conditional logic, booking systems. That's what clients pay premium prices for. But normally you would either hire a developer for weeks or stitch together 5 different tools with Zapier connections that break every other Tuesday. What I'm about to show you is how to build genuinely powerful workflow websites without writing a single line of code. Today, I built a mental wellness counseling platform. Think BetterHelp or Talkspace, where clients browse therapists, answer intake questions, and book sessions. That's not a simple website. That's a business platform. Here's our user journey. Step 1. Client can choose therapists by specialty: anxiety, depression, relationship counseling, trauma. Step 2. They answer intake questions. Step 3. They view available appointment slots and book their own session. Step 4. Confirmation page with therapist's info, appointment details, and checkout. Here is what most people miss. You're not building 4 separate pages. You're building one flow with 4 stages. That's workflow thinking. And for the practice, they will get a dashboard to manage appointments, view intake forms, and organize schedules. And the first thing I'll do is create a detailed prompt. ChatGPT is perfect for this. I'll ask, help me create a detailed prompt for building a mental wellness counseling website. It needs appointment booking, therapist profiles with specialties, intake questionnaire, and should feel calm and safe. Use soft colors like light green, beige, and dusty rose. And here's what it gave me. This prompt is very well structured and detailed. Now I head over to Ready AI and I've partnered with them for this video, and honestly I wanted to see if we could actually build a workflow website starting with one detailed prompt. The link to get started is in the description. So I copied this long prompt and then it took a few minutes, and we can check now and test the first version of this brand new site generated by Ready AI. The requirements for design of the site are met. I will first check the full homepage. It is well structured and looks nice. On the page with our therapists, AI generated their names and even photos. It added their specialties as tags. On the book appointment page, I will test this form and see if it actually works. It would be awesome if the form works right away. So I submit all the test user data, selected the therapist. On the next step, I can select the day and time for the consultation, and voila, the form was successfully submitted. I'm wondering now if the data is stored anywhere in the admin panel. And here we have all the information about this booked appointment. I'm not sure if you noticed it because all these buttons for booking on the site are animated. They get bigger when I hover over. And the logic to start booking process works every time. I tried to click on every book button on the site, and we have them in different places: on the home page, below every therapist's card, and on the dedicated booking page. Another thing that was built in right from the first prompt is these tags with specializations added to each therapist. And before booking, every user can click on either anxiety or career counseling or another reason why they're booking, and every time the system will suggest therapists that best match their selection. When testing booking process, I realized that I missed a very important step in the original prompt, and that's why users can book without making a payment for the consultation. So I used ChatGPT again to help me make a more detailed prompt, and you can see it here. Now Ready AI added the payment step, but it also requires connection with Supabase and Stripe. Supabase is a user authentication platform. You can have up to 2 projects on the free account there, and I already have a project there, so I'll just select this project and it will connect to Ready AI in a few moments. On Stripe, I needed to find my secret key and paste it here. Once I've done that, Stripe integration allows users to make payments on this new site. I just need to ask ReadyAI to add real payments on the last step of the booking process. Now that this step was added, I will test it on the site preview in my browser. I submit all the user information and selected the time of consultation. Then the user is informed that they will make a safe payment through Stripe, and this is the window where they can add credit card information and make the payment. When you refine everything and think your site is ready to go live, you can even publish it on a domain provided by ReadyAI. You can change these random characters to something that's related to your site, like here mentalwellness.ready.co. If you have your own domain purchased elsewhere, you can follow easy steps to make this connection with your domain register. So here's what just happened. We built a mental wellness booking platform with conditional therapist matching, appointment booking, therapist profiles, and professional design in 27 minutes. If you haven't learned it yet, you're getting left behind. Use my link in the description and pinned comment and try ReadyAI. Build something like this and thank me later. And I'll see you in the next video.